Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we have a little comment actually from the COO of Dell, Jeffrey Clark, that has talked to the Register and has mentioned that Windows 11's adoption rate is far below what Windows 10 had in its same time frame, saying that 10 to 12 points lower actually in market share at the same time. And they're saying that not only is Windows 11's adoption rate slow, it seems like the future of the adoption of Windows 11 is going to remain at a very slow pace. A lot of people are not interested in moving to Windows 11. And this, I think, has to do with not just the fact that Windows 11 has some bad reputation. I think it has to do with its time where a lot of people are wondering, do I really need a computer? The Dell COO also mentioned that they estimate that more than 500 million PCs are incapable of moving to Windows 11. And that of that 500 million PCs, well, that's probably what will be replaced at some point in the next years. But the COO said, it's not going at a very fast pace. They don't expect that next year they're going to have much growth. They're expecting pretty much flat sales, as people, of course, a lot of people are still going on Windows 10 with the extended update, but also the fact that most people are not really very fond of going to Windows 11. And for those out there saying, oh, well, they're going to Mac or to Linux, they're not. People are just finding that, you know what, maybe I don't need a PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.